Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Adobe Dreamweaver for web design, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Dreamweaver on your computer. Select New Document from the welcome screen. Choose your preferred document type. For beginners, start with a blank page. Set the page type to HTML. Click Create to start your new project. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the toolbar at the top. On the left side, find the Files panel. This panel shows your project files and folders. To create a new folder, right-click in the Files panel and select New Folder. Name your folder appropriately, like Website. Right-click on your new folder and select New File. Name your file index.html. Open the file by double-clicking it. You will see a blank canvas. Switch to Design View for visual editing. In the toolbar, you can find options to insert elements. Begin by adding a heading to your page. Click on the Insert menu and choose Heading. Type your heading text in the designated area. Next, add a paragraph. Use the same Insert menu and select Paragraph. Make sure to save your work frequently. Click File in the top menu and select Save. Now, let's add an image. Select the spot on the page where you want the image. Go to the Insert menu and choose Image. Browse for an image file on your computer. Select it and click Open. Set the image's properties in the Properties panel. You can add alt text for better accessibility. Next, let's create a link. Highlight the text you want to link. In the Properties panel, find the Link field. Enter the URL you want to link to. Make sure to test the link once it's created. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.